Today we are going to showcase the basic steps needed for installing a reverse camera. In this video we will be installing a Cam 28 into a Mercedes C Class, which includes parking lines and infrared LEDs for enhanced performance. Begin by removing the boot lining and remove any and all screws surrounding the area that you are planning to mount the reverse camera. Once the boot trim has been removed, we can begin creating the hole for the wires to be fed through, on both the trim and the vehicle body. When the holes are sufficiently wide enough, begin to feed the wires through to the inside of the boot. You now have to find a grounding point for the reverse camera within the vicinity of the boot. The best way is to use a voltmeter to determine the most suitable location with little to no charge, avoiding paintwork at all costs. Once grounded, we will begin to thread our leads all the way to the front of the vehicle, making sure that the wire doesn't come under any pressure by tucking it discreetly away behind the panels. Now that we have routed the wires toward the front of the vehicle, we will now need to configure our connections ready for the head unit. Using a separate harness, we will attach the rear camera's RCA to the rear camera video input. We'll then finish up by connecting the 12-volt power cable, which will be attached to the head unit by one of our multimedia adaptive products. When shifting into reverse, we will now be afforded a unique perspective from behind the vehicle. Find out more information about our C2 Vision camera range at connextdo.com and find out about the whole adaptive range at adaptiv-multimedia.com.